So if you guys have made it this far, you've realised that there hasn't been much talking. So welcome to the video. Sorry I didn't film much explaining what was going on the other day, but there was other people here working and I didn't really want to stop the music every 2 minutes to pull you guys out. But what you saw was we got the subframe out. I had to go inside the car and release the handbrake cables at the handbrake assembly itself. Obviously you want to detach all these cables and stuff that are floating around for your diff speed and whatnot. It's here, it's little junction boxes either side of the subframe. Disconnect those so you don't break anything, and also your calipers, and then drop this bad boy out. So at the same time, while this is out, we are going to place all these bushes with the condor speed stop stuff, so that'll be good. And I'm about to set you guys back up again and weld these plates in, because that's what we were getting ready the other day. I did some shitty welds before I worked out how to do a proper weld with the help of one of the contractors that was here. So now that I've worked that out, we can weld these up properly, seal them up, and slap the subframe back in the car. Haven't done too much talking in this video, but that's pretty much it. Got our plates in, got it all sealed up now, just waiting for it all to dry. So in the next one, we'll jump over here, and you can see I've done one bush just as a bit of a practice, but we'll do all the subframe bushes and then get this back in the car so we can move on to the final piece of the puzzle up there. Anyway, peace.